How to add and play with your friends in Assault 8. So what you have to do firstly is this video is super simple and easy. So if this video does help you, make sure you like and subscribe. So back to the video, what you have to do firstly is in order to play with your friends right here, what you have to do is you're gonna have to click on this little play option all the way to the right under. Then once you do click on play, it should bring you to this page right here. Now from here, as you guys can see, you have many races you could choose from. Single player, war series, world series, this right here. You also have events and stuff you could choose from. But what you have to do is you're gonna have to go all the way down and click on quick race. It's the most important one. Then once you do that, you have two options you could click on. Either you could join your friends or you could create a room. So what I'm gonna do for now, I'm gonna create a room, but I'm also show you how to join your friends. So click on create room. Now from here, this does not matter, but I usually just put D for this. D class I personally think is the best. So if you want, you could. Tokyo is fire. Then once you do that, you're gonna have to click on the select option right here, as you guys can see, all the way under. You can also click on randomize, but I'm gonna go with select. Then once you select it, as you guys can see, you're gonna have to click on start race right here. But before you do that, you could change the cars you want. Then once you find the cars you like, you could just click on start race, but you're gonna have to find a free one, or you could pay for it. But I personally go with the red one because it's completely free. I just click on start race. Then once I do that, you're gonna have to click on create room right here. Once you do that, now you're gonna have to wait for your friends. So most of the time, your friends, once they join, they should pop up right here. But if they don't and you just want to play with AI, you can also do that. So just click on fill with AI, and you could click on lunch, and it's going to start the game. So if this video did help you, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.